my channel. So basically, I'm not gonna lie, yeah, I've already done already curled this side of my hair, flattened it all down and everything. This side is really, you know, no one's fresh hair, and yeah, it's just like that. So I thought I would come on here and do like a get ready with me, because I've done about 3 of these get ready with me's, I'm not gonna lie guys, and I just either didn't like how I looked, didn't like what I was saying, things weren't making sense. So I feel like today is the day. All right, so basically this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair, guys. This hair is so pink. Hold up, it's from Beauty Forever Hair. I have 2 packets left because they sent me 4 and I only really needed to do this wig. I made this wig by myself, guys. A bitch is learning. So this is how it looks fresh out of the packet, and can you guys see like how soft and just beautiful it is? It's literally like normal hair. The ends are beautiful. Like, this is good quality hair. I'm going to use these 2 for my leave out, because I'm going to get a leave out next. I just need to give my edges a rest. Anyways guys, so yeah, this is how it looks. I've already curled this side. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna curl this side and do a get ready with me. But this video is sponsored by a Beauty Forever Hair, so shout out to them. Go check them out. I'm gonna have all the links to this hair, their website, all the discounts that they have currently in the description box down below, so definitely go and check it out. And yeah, let's get into the get ready with me. So I'm gonna leave this hair like this, and I'm just gonna, I really wish you guys can see like the whole hair. If I sit like this, then maybe you guys can see it, because this hair is 26 inches. You guys know I always get 26 inches, so yeah, that is that. So guys, this is gonna be a like life update. I'm not gonna lie, I have recorded this video. This is gonna be my 3rd time recording this video. As I said, I just didn't like how my other videos were. Time's the lucky charm, I guess. But yeah, this is just, you know, I feel like it's just their spirit is with you all the time. They don't want you to forget them, etc. And it's gonna be fucking hard. It is fucking hard every day. Let me not lie, some days are alright, and it's not that I forget about him or whatever, but it's just more so you're learning how to deal with it. So you're gonna go through the stages of grief, you know, the acceptance, the shock. You just have to accept the process. You literally have to accept. Don't try to fight the process, because at the end of the day it needs to happen in order for you to feel better, or you know, do you know what I mean? But yeah guys, the fact that I'm even speaking about this is like growth to me, because a few months ago I couldn't even say it. Like, do you know what I mean? It's just a bit mad. But yeah guys, and also I'm not sure if you guys know or not, if you guys were my day 1 subscribers, you will know that video is so much better, so much calmer. I feel like in the other video I wasn't really being true to myself. I'm all like, yeah, everything's gonna be good guys, like I'm back. Bitch, it's okay not to be good. Like, it's actually okay not to be good, especially if you go through something so traumatic. Are you dumb right now? Like, are you dumb right now? This hair is amazing. Like, I absolutely love it. This is how it looks when, you know, I brushed out the curls and that. So definitely go and check out Beauty Forever Hair, guys. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna have everything in the description box and down below, so go and check that out. And let me know if you guys go and get you some. Show me like your pics of you rocking the hair. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Also comment down below what videos you guys want to see, hauls, makeup videos, mukbangs, girl talks, whatever you guys want to see, I will do it. So leave me some suggestions down below. Thank you guys for supporting me. I honestly love you guys with all my heart. Yeah, and ignore my nail, I broke it, but we move. Anyways guys, I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys so much, and make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, because you guys will be seeing a lot of me.